2025. Guys, welcome to our guests, our home buyers, our sellers. Thank you for joining us here today. And of course, it's truly an honor to have you here with us as we officially mark the opening of the most awaited and biggest CLI Home Fest 2025. And what better place to start of our first leg than here in the crown jewel of Mindanao, Davao City, specifically in the iconic Davao Global Township. Pakpak! Yes! Okay, so guys, last year, Sibulan Masters held its first ever on-ground home fest, offering home buyers exclusive deals for selected CLI properties in 5 key locations in Vismin. And almost 1,000 of you guys showed their support. So this year, we promise to make it bigger as we are crossing over 7 different locations in Visayas and Mindanao, making it our biggest one yet. So guys, for more than 20 years, Sibulan Masters has made a mission to build quality and sustainable communities. Investing in a CLI home means investing in a developer that builds customer trust, real estate expertise, and upholds responsible, sustainable, and resilient communities. And guys, this mission holds true as CLI remains as the #1 developer in Visayas and Mindanao, recognized by the Colliers Real Estate Market Study 2024, making the company a developer of choice to home buyers. So today, we're here to make your home buying journey meaningful with CLI's masterful offerings from best-selling developments to premium masterpieces for you to make that CLI home come true. So of course, we would like to express our gratitude and would like to acknowledge our trusted financial partners whose support plays a vital role in turning your dream home into a reality. I'd like to acknowledge our partner banks, starting off with RCBC, BPI, BDO, China Bank Corporation, Security Bank, China Bank Savings, Union Bank, Maybank, Bank of Commerce, Sterling Bank of Asia, and of course, Philippine National Bank. Guys, daghan kayong salamat for joining us this morning, okay? So guys, without further ado, kay alimot naman yun, we'd like to invite everybody to do the countdown with us, as our first Vice President for Sales and Accounts Management, Ms. Rose Yulo, will be cutting the ribbon together with our Assistant Vice President for Accounts Management, Ms. Inez Sisor. So let's do it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.